Me too.
Sure you
They
are,
need to make
because
this a lot bigger. Yeah, I have it here. It looks like that. Do you see it? Are you guys seeing it?
I refreshed it.
Maybe it's at the front, featured. Because it's featured right now, so maybe it popped it to the front.
I'm not seeing it on my phone or on the computer.
How weird. Did the elves learn to keep keep their bleep tight with elfin cream? Is there any discounts on that, Jamie?
Not that I can see, but I'm having trouble bringing stuff up. So if anybody else can see a discount on that, please let us know. I'm seeing it as is, $55, $4.99.
And refresh my page. $54.99. Great, you guys. It works. It really, really works. I can't believe how no wrinkles on my hand. Like no, the craping's gone, everything's gone. Unbelievable. No coupon. Okay, well, I'll check with them and see if they can get us a coupon for this because it's really good. I think you guys will like it. Awesome. Okay, let me just check the other. Let's unbox another one, maybe, because we have a lot to get to today. And I think we have more coming for next week. So let me go grab Jamie. Can I go with it?
Sure.
Okay.
She's going to go grab a box. Dun, dun, dun. So everybody that's watching on the other platforms out there, come on over to Amazon Live. Let us know that you're there by commenting in the chat. And that's how you get into the Wheel of Names. We spin the names. You let us know that you're still here, and we go to the prize wheel to win a prize. That's it. You just got to let us know that you're here. And we do have some competitions for you to get extra entries into the Wheel of Names and prize. It's one of those moments where you get an extra option. If you can guess, once we know it is what it is, you can get an extra. So by guessing.
So I guess we'll go ahead and spin the prize wheel. So you guys are going to get another chance to guess. Another chance to guess.
What number?
Here you go. Oh, Kristen O'Brien, welcome.
Interesting.
Let's add you to the.
Interesting. There's two in the box. The box, a little one.
And the little one said, roll over.
Hey, Kristen.
Oh, Brian,
come
welcome.
on in. Okay, so we've got two in the box. Have a guess what it is, and we'll see who guesses, who gets close, and who gets extra draws. Video again, bag.
Oh, a video?
No.
Bag, lamps, tote.
Let you guys have some random guesses. I'll start giving some
Shirts,
clues. Shoes, palm.
chargers, iPad.
Oh. I'll give you a clue. This is not electrical, and it's used in the kitchen.
Good clue.
Not electrical and used in the kitchen.
Not electrical, used in the kitchen.
Whisk. Ooh. Mixer. Oop. Mitts, knife, grinder, towel, pan, bowls. Earphone, cooked spoon, microwave pans, fruit stand, spatula, cutting board, pot, blender.
Whisk.
It's getting difficult to give you a clue. You could say that it's straining my intellectual capabilities. Cutting board, measuring cups, knife set, discard, spiralizer, wok, and knives. Stranger.
Colander strainer, colander juicer, spice rack. Colander is kind of it, kind of not really. It's strainer's collapsible. Okay, it is collapsible.
Collapsible. You get a little.
Who said collapsible?
First person who said collapsible gets it. Gets a extra entry draw.
That was Gabriel P. Gabriel P.
You get an extra one. Orange strainer, collapsible colanders strainer. If another word for getting upset.
Oh, good one.
Another word
Dish
for getting
rack.
upset.
And it's collapsible. Mixing bowls, lemon juicer,
Another way to
holder.
power the old locomotive.
Collapsible colanders. Not quite it. Strainer. Would these be used in a microwave, I think?
Well, that's what that word there says.
Oh, okay.
That was one of the words we're looking for.
Steamer. Peter L. Zimmer got it. Steamer. It is a steamer.
Collapsible microwave steamer bowls.
All right. Okay.
Unique.
Who said that? Somebody said that. Wait a minute. It's going fast. Collapsible steamer.
Peter L. Zimmer said steamer.
And then GMG said, did GMG say that before?
Collapsible steamer, DMG, yep.
Okay, GMG got it too. Anybody else said it before that?
Gabriel P said collapsible colanders.
And Peter L. Zimmer, you're getting 2 draws because I didn't have you in there in the first place.
Gabriel P said, you bring up Gabriel P, right?
Yep. I never would have guessed. I know it was a hard one, right? Let me see if I can add this to the carousel here. And we can talk about it. Give me a minute here.
We got a lime green and a dark green. Which one are we going to open?
Which one do you want to keep? Or do a video with? Keep the lime green one.
Okay, boss.
All right, so this is family size collapsible steamers. Hello, Maxine Z and Joe Smith. Welcome. Welcome, welcome.
So we have the EcoKit, expandable bowl, collapsible microwave steamer.
All right, let's talk about it. I got it
Yeah.
highlighted. Anyone else have a probably everyone, Jennifer, our internet
I
sucks.
think it's coming from us, that's why we're moving
It's
out.
a problem, that's why we're moving.
All right, so here we have collapsible steamer for microwave, which is really cool, is that when it's not in use, let me get it out.
You can
Look.
store it better.
Yeah, it's not taking up very much space when you draw, which is a bonus. Lid to hold the lid,
Ooh, nice. It's nice solid feeling.
and then we just pop this down.
Oh, that's cute.
So there we go, like that. It's got a little, as you can see, it's got a little base that's got little holes in it. That you
Catch the water below.
put about 3 tablespoons of water in there that's sitting in the bottom. Sit this guy on top, and then pop him in the microwave, steaming your vegetables or whatever you want.
Or steam whatever you want to steam.
And when you're done washing out, rinse him out, and he can collapse up just like that to be packed away. So in that aspect, it's very good. Microwave, dishwasher, and oven safe up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit. Do not use over an open flame, of course, a good dimension. Says it's got a lifetime warranty, so they're fairly confident with this wonderful little product here.
I love it. And we're going to definitely be featuring this a couple more times because our video is so laggy. So we'll definitely be featuring this again, and I'll contact the company and see if they can get us a discount. But this is a really cool little item. And it comes with, does it come with 1 or 2? And are there any discounts on it right now?
I don't know. Let me have a look.
Dale says, guessing unboxing with laggy video is maddening.
Oh,
yes.
well,
You have no idea. We're so
I
frustrated
think
by
they
this.
do have an idea. They just
Yeah.
tried it.
Yeah.
It's also frustrating for us.
Yeah.
So that's why we're moving house, because we can't. For those of you who know the story, you know the story. For those of you who don't, we can't get better internet here because of the HOA situation. So we need.
They won't put in fiber here.
They won't put in fiber. We need fiber.
Buying a whole nother
it's
house.
$27. There doesn't seem to be any extra discount. What's quite interesting is the silicon aspect really does create quite a nice seal on the lid. Yet, if it was steaming up, it would bubble out, which is cool. So yeah, it's got a nice little design. The lid just sits inside and lips inside.
That's a cool item. It's a very cool item.
So nice and strawable with that way, but then just pop him out again so you can see the size.
Yeah, if the video is working, definitely. Oh, that's cool.
So
You can. That's a family. You could steam a lot of vegetables in that.
That's right.
It's pretty large. How many quarts would you say that is? I'd say that's at least a quart, 2 quarts, 3 quarts, 4 quarts.
Does it say?
I don't know.
8 cup capacity?
8 cups. So, what's a quart? 16,
I don't know.
I think 16 cups maybe.
I'm milliliters.
Joni Smith says I like that.
Yeah. So there's a couple of colors. There's the
lime green and then the darker.
Well, they call that blue.
Blue.
It's more of a darker green, in my opinion.
Yeah,
limey green. But then, yeah, when you're all washed and cleaned out of the dishwasher, just put him together, pack him up, and he's not taking up very much space at all, which is good.
Very cool, you guys. Okay, you know what we need to do?
Spin the wheel, have some lunch.
I think we need to spin the wheel and have some lunch. I think that's what we need to do. Somebody goes, like after the lives, yeah, I'm checking emails, but not until I have lunch. Like we go straight to, I'm hungry.
That's right. So who would like to win a prize? Let us know.
There are 4 quarts and 1 cup, so it's 2 quarts. Thank you for that, GMG.
Thank you. Feels like one of the game shows, the adjudicators. Let's just cross live the adjudicators, and adjudicator GMG says there's 4 cups to a quart, so that's 2 quarts. Thank you very much.
Joni Smith wants to know how we win. Well, we're about to show you. Your name is on the prize wheel, Joni.
Or to enter the prize wheel, you just got to let us know that you're here in the chat. We see your name in the chat. We add your name to the prize wheel. If you don't want to be on the prize wheel, then just say, hey, I'm here, but I don't want to be on the prize wheel. We go, okay.
Yeah, you're welcome to, you don't have to be on there.
And then when we spin that wheel with your name on it, whoever's name shows up, then that person has to let us know in the chat that they're still here. And when we get acknowledgement that you're here, we will then go to the prize wheel to see what prize you won. And if after a period of time, if we don't know that you're here, if you haven't responded, if you've gone away, we will spin the wheel of names again to get someone that's actually here. That's it.
Yep, that's it. It's really easy. And, oh, good, our internet's better now. Yay!
Woo!
Because last week or the week before, I can't remember.
2 weeks ago.
Tanya won, and she won, but then our internet just cut out. The entire live just cut.
So we never got to see what she won.
So we didn't get to see what she won until she came back the next time. Luckily, she was a good sport and was willing to wait for that prize.
Yeah. Ooh, dangle the carrot. Come
dangle
back.
The carrot.
Ding, 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 ding.
Come on back.
All right, so let's spin that wheel.
Okay.
Spin the wheel, spin the